Welcome students, today we will start a new chapter, that is circles. All of you are aware of the concept of circle. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, now we will see the radius. What is radius? The definition of radius is the line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. Means this is a radius. This is the line joining. This is a line which joins the center and any point on the circle, then this is the radius. Okay, now the next concept is chord. Okay, before we will start the chord, just see here, there are many radii in a circle. There are many radii and they all are of equal length. Means here this is also a radius, this is also a radius. Okay, there are many radius and they are all having the same length. Okay, means suppose if this is 3 centimeter, then this will also equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, the length of the all radii in the same circle is same. Now what is chord? The chord is a line joining any 2 points on a circle. Means if we join any 2 points on a circle, that is called chord. Then this is MN is a chord. If I draw here, that is RS, then RS is also a chord. Okay, now the next concept is diameter. The diameter is a chord. It is also a chord which passes through the center of the circle. See, this is the chord. By our definition of a chord, the chord is the line joining any 2 points on a vertex. Here also this line, that is AB, is joining the point A and point B, but it passes from the center. That's why we will call it as diameter. Okay, and it is the longest chord of the circle. This is the longest chord. Okay, as there are many radius in each circle. Okay, here also the circle has many chords and a diameter. Okay, and the length of every diameter is same. Now here in this box, this is the concept. Here you have to find out the radius, diameter and chord. Then which is the radius? Here we will start OM. Here we will write OM, OS, OT, OP. Okay, these are the radius. And if you will talk about diameter, diameter is a segment which passes from the center, which joins the end point of the circle and passes from the center. That means MT and PS. Now chord. If we will talk about the chord, then MN is a chord. This diameter is also a chord. Then we will write this also, that is MT and PS. Clear? Now we will see how to draw a circle. Okay, we will see in a problem set 28 to draw a circle. Here we have to draw a circle with radius 2 cm, 4 cm, 3 cm. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, now this we have to draw, that is we have to draw a circle with radius equals to 2 cm. Okay, so first we will draw a point. This is a point. This is a center of the circle. Okay, we will consider it as center of the circle. From this point we will draw a circle of 2 cm. Then for this we will take our rounder, means our compass, and we will take 2 cm on our rounder. See, this is 2 cm. And we will put our steel point on this rounder and draw a circle. Okay, this is our circle. Then we will draw a radius. See here, from any point we will draw a radius. Okay, and we will write here 2 centimeter, so that we come to know this is a circle with radius equals to 2 centimeter. Okay, now see in the next one we have to draw a circle with radius equals to 4 centimeter. Here radius is equals to 4 centimeter. Then similarly we will take a point which we will consider as a center, and we will take 4 centimeter on a rounder. See, this is a 4 centimeter. Okay, and we will put our still point here and draw a circle. Okay, now we will draw a radius on it. Okay, now we will write here the length, that is 4 centimeter. If you want, you can give your name, that is a center O. Here also O, and the radius is OA or OB. Whatever you want to give, that you give at your choice. Now similarly, the question number 3 is your homework. Now we will move to the next question, that is draw a circle of any radius. So show one diameter, one radius, one chord on that circle. Means here you have to draw a circle, okay, of any length. So here I will, this is, suppose this is a circle, okay, this I have drawn. Now in this only, here I will show a diameter. Okay, this is a radius, here I will show a diameter. Then this is our diameter. Okay, and one chord. Then for one chord I will draw like this. This is our chord. Then here we will give the name as AB. Yeah, B is given, na? We will write here PQ or MN. Then here we will write, this is the second one. Okay, we have continued this question from here. Okay, then here we will write radius is OB, diameter is PQ, and chord is MN. Okay, clear? With this, this practice set is over. Now we will move to the next concept. Okay, now see here what is given here, the relationship between a radius and a diameter. The relationship between a radius and a diameter. Then what is a relation? Now see here, the diameter of a circle is twice the length of a radius. What is given here? Just mark this point. The diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. Means suppose if your radius is 3 centimeter, then your diameter, that is diameter AB, will be 6 centimeter. Okay, now here it is a chart is given, that is all the diameter. So okay, just read this point. All the diameter of a circle are of the same length. In earlier on this page I have explained, that is they are of equal length. Now see here, this, fill this box. What is given here? The diagram. Okay, here it is given as radius and the diameter is given. Okay, here radius is 1 centimeter and therefore the diameter will be 2 centimeter. Okay, what is our measure the diameter and radii of a circle of given below with ruler and verify the relationship between their length. Then we have to just measure this radius. Okay, so what we will do, we will keep our ruler, means scale here, and we will measure. What is the length here? You can see this is 2 centimeter, right? This is 2 centimeter. Then here we will write 2 centimeter. And if we will talk about the diameter, okay, the diameter is 4 centimeter. You can see this 4 centimeter. Now similarly move to the next circle. Here we will, if we will take this, this is 3 centimeter. Okay, 3. And if we will talk about the diameter is 6 centimeter, right? Then here we will write 3 centimeter, and diameter is 6 centimeter. Means the diameter, the length of the diameter is double the length of the radius. Okay. Now we will start our practice problem set 29. Now in this, what is given here? If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will its diameter? Okay, what is given here? Radius of the circle. First one, radius R. Here we will write R is given as 5 centimeter, and we have to find diameter, D for the diameter. Then as we know, that is diameter is double of the radius, means here we will write 2 into R. Then 2 into 5, that is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, means our diameter is 10 centimeter. Then at the end we will write the answer, that is diameter is equals to 10 centimeter. Clear? Now in the next one, what is given here? If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, what will be its radius? Now here what is given here? Diameter is given as 6 centimeter. Now as we all know, radius is the diameter divided by 2. Means if you divide diameter divided by 2, then you will get your answer, that is 6 divided by 2, that is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, then here we will write the answer, that is radius is equals to 3 centimeter. Clear? Now move to the next one. See here what is given here. Complete the following table, filling the blanks. Okay. Now see here what is given here. The first radius is given as 4 centimeter. If radius is 4, the diameter will be 4 to the 8. We will double it, that is 8 centimeter. And if diameter is 16 centimeter, the radius will be half of it. Then what is half of 16? That is 8 centimeter. Okay. Now radius is 9 centimeter. Then double of 9. We have to find diameter. Diameter is double of radius. That is equals to 9 to the 18. And here diameter is 22 centimeter. Then radius will be 22 divided by 2. That is equals to 11 centimeter. Clear? Now we will start the next concept, that is the interior and exterior of a circle. Okay. Now in this, as you all know, that is interior means inside. The point interior of the circle means the point which are inside the circle. Exterior of the circle means the points which are outside the circle. And on the circle, points on the circle means the point which on the circle. Okay. Now which are the points which are in the circle, inside the circle? That is points Y, R, T, X. Here we will write Y, R, T, X. Okay. And exterior means outside the circle. Then outside the circle, point W, M and Z. Then here we will write points W, MZ. Okay, now on the circle, means on the circle which are the point, that is point P and point N. Then here we will write points P and N. Okay, now we will move to the next concept, that is next problem set. Here we will see the arc of a circle. Okay, now before we will start, just let's understand the concept of circumference of the circle. Okay, as this is your circle, this is your circle, then this part is called as a circumference of the circle. And what is an arc of a circle? What is an arc of a circle? That is one part, means one part of a circumference is called the arc of a circle. Means suppose this is a circle, okay, then here this is called the arc, means arc PS or arc PSQ. Okay, this part PSQ, RSQR, this is called the arc. Okay, see, this is the arc, you can see here, this is the arc. Okay, this full we call a circumference, and the part of the circumference is called an arc. Clear? Now in our problem set, what is our problem set 31? We will see here, that is in the figure alongside point S, L, M, N are on the circle. These are the points which are on the circle. Okay, answer the question with the help of the diagram. What is our question? Write the names of the arc with end points S and M. Here you have to write the name of arc with end point SM. Then which is the arc with end point SM? That is arc SLM. Arc SLM. And the arc, this the arc, here we will write the name. That is, first you have to write this in your question notebook, and after that write the answer here. This is the first one. What you will write? First write the question, okay, and after that write the your name, that is answer. That is, which are the arc? Arc SLM and arc SNM. Okay, both are having the endpoints SM. Then here we will write arc SLM and arc SNM. Okay, now the second one, that is write the names of the arc with point LN. Then if you will talk about LN, then this one arc is this, that is LMN. Okay, you means end point will be LN. Okay, and the another arc is LSN. Then here we will write the second one. Write your question and here write answer. That is arc L. We want L, not LMN, and arc LSN. Okay. Now move to the next question. What is our question? That is, write the name of arc that point A, B, C, D in the given circle give rise to. Means here you have to write the name of the arc that the point A, B, C, D in the given circle given rise to. Means here you have to write the all the arc. Then here we will write the answer. That is, arc first arc is ABC, arc CBD. Okay, means here I am writing the second one, here I am writing the answer. Okay, first we will write the first name, that is ABC, arc ABC. The second one BCD, then CDA, arc CDA, then DAB, arc DAB. Okay, and then DAB, then Now see here, this one, second one is over. Now the next one, give the names of the arc that are made by point P, Q, R, S, T in the figure. Then this is same as the second one. Then this is your homework. You have to write the arc which are formed by these points. Okay. Then you can write here T, P, Q, P, Q, R. Okay. Now the next question. This is your homework. Now measure and note down the circumference of different circular object. It is convenient to use a measuring tape for this purpose. Okay, this is the activity part, okay, that you do at home. Okay, now with this this chapter is over. Now in the next video we will start a new chapter. Okay, bye.